The Hospitality Management Program prepares students to understand and apply practical skills for supervisory and managerial positions. The curriculum takes a hands-on approach, letting students gain valuable experience under the guidance of industry professionals. The course focuses on a variety of areas, including guest services, leadership, management, restaurant operations, marketing, sanitation, food preparation, and other critical areas. Graduates should qualify for management or entry-level supervisory positions in food and lodging operations, including restaurants, food service, beverage service, catering, front office, reservations, and housekeeping. For more information, visit nashcc.edu or call 252-443-4011.